The first kanji of today is this one. The all readings are jin and nin, and the kun reading is hito. The main meaning of this kanji is person, as in hito just by itself, which means person. In the N5, you often find otoko no hito. Otoko means male, so otoko no ito together is a man. In a similar way, onna no hito, onna means female, so together is a woman. Another possible meaning, which is very similar, is like personality, character, like in jinkaku. Jin is person. Kaku by itself is kind of character, so this is like the personality, something that characterizes a person with character. Another use of this kanji is after the name of a country to express the person from that country. For instance, Nihonjin. Nihon by itself means Japan. If you add the kanji read as jin, it's Nihonjin, which means a Japanese person. Not Japanese as the language, for instance, only Japanese person. In a similar way, for instance, you have Chugokujin. Chugoku means China. If you add jin, it means a Chinese person. It can also be used to express a person involved in some field related to something. For instance, shijin. Shi by itself means poetry. So shijin is poet. A particular reading, different from the one presented, is in otona, which is an important word in the N5, which means adult. This one by itself means big, so otona is a big man, adult. The second kanji, this as on readings, shi and su, while the kun reading is ko. And the main meaning is a child, children, like in ko by itself, which means child, but also someone's child, so a son or a daughter. Kodomo is very similar, although usually kodomo means a younger child, while ko refers to a broader range of age. In fact, sometimes it's also used like to state a person in general, but it's like the more important meaning is child. A word that appears in the N5, which is not related to the concept of child, is isu, which means chair. We can see this sentence, isu ni suwaru. This one is suwaru. It means to sit. This one is a particle that states where something takes place. So, isu ni suwaru means to sit on a chair. Another possible meaning is like the little one. To understand this meaning, we can take a look at the word koneko. Neko by itself is cat. So, koneko is a kitten, a little cat. The third kanji is this one. This one has actually a lot of readings, like more than 100, but the most important ones are the ones shown. As all readings, the most important ones are se and shou, while the kun readings are the ones before the dot, so i, usually in the word ikiru, you're going to see in a little, and also u as in umareru. The main meaning is to live, being alive, and in general, life and living being. For instance, jinsei, this one is the first we saw, which means a person. Sei, we saw that it means like to be alive. So jinsei is human life. There are actually other words that mean life that have this translation, but they have slightly different meanings. Then we have ikiru. Here the reading is I, and it means to live, to be alive. For instance, like in anime, when someone asks if someone is alive, they ask ikiteru no. This is like a conjugation of the verb ikiru, the te iru form, which means something that is taking place now, a current situation, while no is a particle to express a question. So, are you still alive? Kind of, are you okay? Another word is umareru, which means to be born. Here the reading is u. The last kanji of today is this one. The on readings are ki and ke, and the co-reading is again ki. The meaning can be air, atmosphere, as in kion. On by itself means war, and in general related to temperature. So kion is the air temperature, so you use it to express the temperature when you talk about the temperature of the air or the atmosphere. But ki is also referred to like the state of mind or the feeling of someone. For instance, in kibun, which means the mood, like in the expression kibun ga ii. I means good. Ga is again a particle. So the meaning is like to feel good, like you're in a pleasant mood. The opposite is warui. Warui, which means bad. So you can also say kibun ga warui. You don't feel good, you feel bad. And like to see the reading ke, we have the word hakike. Haki comes from the verb haku, which means throw up. So hakike is the feeling of throwing up, which is nausea.